submitted by name Radhika Sanjay Kashikar, class BSc final year, group CB, topic name climate change, guided by Department of Environment, Shri Shivaji Science College Amravati, year 2021 to 2022. Index, definition, what is climate change? Climate change causes. How will climate change affect humans? 5 causes of climate change. Why climate change is good? How bad is climate change in 2021? Conclusion and result. Climate change. Definition. Climate change refers to long-term shift in temperature and weather patterns. This shift may be unnatural, but since in 1800 humans' activity have been a main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas, which produce heat, trapping and gases. What is climate change? The term climate refers to general weather condition of a place over many years. In the United States, for example, Maine's climate is cold and snowy in winter, while South Florida's tropical year-round. Climate change is a significant verification of average weather condition. What causes climate change? A variety of factors, both natural and human, can influence the Earth's climate system. Forces that contribute to climate change include the sun's intensity, volcanic eruption, and change in the natural occurring greenhouse gases concentration. How will climate change affect humans? As climate change transforms global ecosystem, it affects everything from the place we live to the water we drink to the air we breathe. 5 causes of climate change. The national found out of 5 main culprits for these increases in greenhouse gases. Fossil fuels expand autoplay, deforestation increases livestock farming, fertilizer containing nitrogen and fluented gases. Why climate change is good? The chief benefits of global warming include favor winter dates, lower energy cost, better agriculture yields, probably favor droughts. Causes a rise in heart failure far greater than the rise in deaths during heat waves, cold and the heat. Not the heat is the biggest killer. How bad is climate change in 2021? 17 March, a study by the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies estimated that globally between September 2020 and February 2021, 12.5 million people were displaced by adverse impact of climate change. The annual average exceeds 20 million. What is conclusion for climate change? The conclusion is that the natural system around the world are being affected by regional climate change, particularly temperature increases, and that these temperature increases are very likely to be the result of anthropogenic emissions of greenhouse gases. Climate change result: more frequent and intense drought storms, heat waves, rising sea levels, melting glacier, and warming oceans can directly harm animals, destroy the place they live, and weak hoven on people's livelihoods and communities. As climate change warns, the dangerous weather events are becoming more frequent or severe.